Welcome. Sit back and relax as we prepare for our show. We ask you to please silence all cell phones and pagers if you still have one of those. Please deposit all trash in the proper receptacles, including the beer cans you smuggled in. Smoking tobacco is expressly prohibited in our facility. Please be courteous to our other guests and offer to share whatever you're smoking, unless it's tobacco. Please avoid talking to the characters in the show. They are unable to respond. The back 2 rows are reserved for foreplay and secondary sexual acts only. These rows can be found directly under our night vision cameras, which stream live to the internet. Please make note of the exits. In the event of a fire, please file calmly to the exits. Panic is only allowed during a terrorist threat or an axis of evil. Firearms are prohibited in all but alien invasions and zombie uprisings. So sit back and enjoy the Advanced Groove Podcast. Well, hey, I know that smell. What are you doing over here?
Full of ignorance and don't realize it.
Just kidding. Do you think I might be able to hit that?
Whoa, yes.
Wow. That takes me back to the frat days.
Well, the herb I smoke ain't no joke.
You said it. This is some good stuff.
Pass me this spliff.
You talk funny when you're stoned. It's cool.
No make no sense for he legalize it, then turn around and want fi prescribe it, yo.
I hear you. It really doesn't make much sense.
How you feel about that, Mr. Politician?
Oh, I'm just a city councilman. I don't really have any say.
How you feel about that, Mr. Politician?
Like I said, I'm only
How you feel about that, Mr. Politician?
I'm only a city councilman. Can't even balance the budget.
Pass me this spliff.
Oh, damn, that's a cop coming, so here you go, and I'll see you later. Alright, what's going on over here? Smells like a Neil Diamond concert.
Well, the herb I smoke ain't no joke.
I shouldn't be surprised. Standing over here looking like an extra in a Boy George video. Talking to one of my meth buyers, and I figure you gotta be up to no good.
Full of ignorance and don't realize it.
That wacky tobacco makes you talk funny, boy. But as an officer of the law, I have to verify that it's actually an illegal substance. Give me that doobie, Rob Marley.
Whoa, yes.
Damn!
How you feel about that, Mr. Officer?
You got more of this shit, Rasta McFerrin?
Whoa, yes.
Good. We got a 10-4-20 boys on the corner of Main and 8th Street.
Pass me this spliff.
Oh yeah, here. I'm gonna go get my police tape and tape up this whole block so we ain't stirred.
Long time coming, June, we still running and still we burning this marijuana. Na na now, na na now. Oh Lord, woman done this, laundromat waste. Bad bitch, pass me this spliff of the high grade. Oh na na now, of the high grade. Whoa yes. It's been a long time coming, June we still running and still we burning this marijuana. Time ticking, lighter keep flicking and I'ma keep smoking cause I'm a Buddha. How you feel about that, Mr. Officer? How you feel about that? How you feel about that, Mr. Officer? How you feel about that? So many things we need to meditate on and observe. So why you think we smoke the blessing we call herb? Build we up consciously and make we anxious to learn to disregard certain remarks we don't deserve. Tell the young and the old say it's not good for your health, but reap it for medical purpose yourself. They don't know your usage strictly for your health. You better run out, try fool somebody else. No make no sense we illegalize it, then turn around and want we prescribe it, yeah. Full of ignorance and don't realize it. If you will have sleep, now is the time to rise. It been a long time coming, true we still running and still we burning this marijuana. Time ticking, lighter keep flicking smoking, and I'ma keep smoking, cause I'm on honor. How you feel about that, Mr. Officer? How you feel about that? How you feel about that, Mr. Politician? How you feel about that? Hey, well, the herb I smoke ain't no joke. Your peers my throat to hit the right note. Y'all him get the loving ya with the right stroke, y'all. From day to day, know me feeling nice when they ready on me hide. 24/7, Sunday through Friday. Sensibilia, put me on the highway where I wanna be. So plant it, roll it, make it get light. Me get inspiration, through me get high. Crawl, me walk, then me start run. Me smoke herb, then me start to fly. Well, a long time coming, June we still running, and still we burning this marijuana. Time ticking, lighter keep flicking, and I'ma keep smoking, cause I'm on wanna. How you feel about that, Mr. Officer? How you feel about that? Now, how you feel about that, Mr. Politician? How you feel about that? Hey, so many things we need to meditate on and observe. So when you think we smoke the blessing we call herb, build we up consciously for make we anxious we learn to disregard certain remarks we don't deserve. Tell the young man the outside now good for your wealth, but reap it for medical purpose yourself. Don't know you use it, strictly for your wealth. You better run out, try fool somebody else. No make no sense. Illegalize it, then turn around and want to prescribe it, y'all. Full of ignorance and don't realize it. If you will split, now is the time to rise it. Long time coming, June we still running, and still we burning this marijuana. Time ticking, lighter keep flicking, and I'ma keep smoking, cause I'm on honor. How you feel about that, Mr. Officer? How you feel about that? Na. How you feel about that, Mr. Politician? How you feel about that? Yeah.
That was United Souls with their track Still Burning. Advanced Groove would like to thank them for their contributions to our podcast. Of course you know about that cat JC, but did you know he's starring in the new sitcom, What's the Reason? So enjoy the hit single that is the theme song to JC's new show, Monday nights at 7:30. What's the Reason is completely fictional and may not be available in any area. What's the Reason is recorded before a live studio audience.
She had this cocaine smile, my teeth are rows of piano keys. They can't cook it off my gum, a softer tongue, examine me, we smoke candidly. Smoke trees on a porch patio, naturalistic conversation, naturalistic kind of flow. Yo, I liked her, she smoked bud the way it was intended. Inhaling the gift, listen to music, jazz invented. Bongs and Louis Armstrong, soon we circumvented. To blues, rock, and soul, polyphonic styles that's blended. Smoke through hip-hop, reggae, puffing the hotness. Smoke trees, serving me until the catalog exhausted. But that never really happened, I always track down cats that had the stats while I provided accompanying soundtracks. And the blue moon, hear few tunes, take me back to the porch. Since split waves, pretending the shadows unseen, ignored. Prize of alter ego, it makes your love life. Check it, no invitations or requests. I guess I'll miss your porch forever.
What's the reason that she don't want me for? She turned out the porch light, so I don't come around no more. What's the reason that she don't want me for? Turn out the porch light, no, I don't come around no more. Nah, hey.
I was intrigued by this mother. She dug the Allman Brothers, introduced me to Hendrix. That Axis record is what did it. I dug the way she smoked, the way it was intended. Inhaling the gift, listen to music, jazz invented. But we shared an agreement, the way that I had seen it. An arrangement never stated that we're never separated. It just wasn't conversated. Hers, my fears, mine. Never care about the whereabouts in the other spare time. Honest relationship, solid friendship as a basis. Left it open-ended, that's what ended our arrangement. Quite apparent when I'm staring that she found new merit in company that wasn't me. Reluctant discovery. See, we were still friends, that was still part of it. But then she felt like starting shit and parting with arguments. Reading old emails in recesses of my computer. Be like you, I be pretending to my friends I never knew.
What's the reason that she don't want me for? She turned out the porch light, no, I don't come around no more. What's the reason that she don't want me for? She turned out the porch light, no, No, I don't come around no more. Nah, 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 nah. Hey, 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 hey.
I was intrigued by this mother. She dug the Allman Brothers, introduced me to Hendrix, said Axis record is what did it. I don't need you, I'ma play the bad guy, cause you know and I know the way it goes and why. So tell them what you want, reasons you don't want me for. You stole my parachute and severed my bungee cord. I remember I couldn't remember your voice, your face, your skin, but then I'd fall asleep and it all came back again. Maybe you and me were wrong, now feelings is not so strong. Different ports lights turning on, I've been over you too long. Notice the difference in newer songs, as kids and newer John, the one you knew was gone so long. Thanks for moving on, I know the reasons, them reasons you don't want me for. Used to not understand, but these days I don't care no more. See you now and again, we catch up, we trade CDs. She's burning me, Sly and Stone. I gave her this MP3, it's called The Reasons. Them reasons you don't want me for. Used to not understand, but these days I don't care no more. See you now and again, we catch up, trade CDs. She's burning me, Sly and Stone. I gave her this MP3 called The Reasons.
That she don't want me for, to turn out the porch light. No, I don't come around no more. What's the reason that she don't want me for, to turn out the porch light? No, I don't come around no more. Nah, 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 nah. Hey, 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 hey.
You like the band? They're called United Soul. They're awesome, right? Yeah, I work on their podcast, making 6 figures doing it. So you want to dance? That was rude. Hi, I'm Scott. Want to dance? Where are you going? I have 3,000 comic books valued at over 50 G's. Hey, want to dance? My friends say I'm the best dungeon master ever. Hello, I'm George Lucas. Care to dance? Hey, what kind of girl doesn't dance with George Lucas?
Let me take a peek, see what I see. Let me take a peek, see what I see. Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for tonight. Why don't you meet me on the dance floor tonight? Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for, yes. Why don't you move your waistline? Oh, no, Empress, yes, the one in the tie-dye dress. Let's converse, cause you got my interest. Are you me want tonight, nothing more, nothing less. And to get you, yes, the time I'm willing to invest. Yes, tonight, girl, there is no contest. Underrated, unwilling to express that you feel the way I feel and you want me to press up on your waistline base, make you rock to the left, to the right. Girl, I'm thinking that I just might make us a center of attention in that spotlight. Because you're hype and believe me, you're just my type. And now you are one choose for the rest of the night. Baby, please, you're so easy to read, so don't tease. I will surely leave if you're full of make-believe. I know you want me get a rubber, maybe a squeeze, but for now to move your waist, girl, is all I need. Hey, baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for tonight. Why don't you meet me on the dance floor tonight? Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for, yes. Why don't you move your waistline? Oh, no, well, I like that you're not playing hard to get. And the way you move, make it not hard to sweat. Make a lot of man jealous cause them want to get who I'm with on the floor, but I don't want to let her go. Yo, now she whining slow, dancing hard like that, still we can't leave the flow. Last call for alcohol, but we smoking dro. Now how in God's name can I ask for more? All week she said she been feeling. From time she see me, I was so appealing. I said, girl, your outfit is so revealing. Make me want let go the sexual healing. Yo, party done and them turn on the light. lights, but still ain't getting up of this girl wine. Say she wants so much more of my time, for me to come again and walk she waistline. Hey, baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for tonight. Why don't you meet me on the dance floor tonight? Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for, yes. Why don't you move your waistline? Oh, no.
Right from the start on the real girl, you caught my eye. Twisting and whining, making your waist come to life. It is a must for me to have some of your time. So meet me on the dance floor, baby, cause I need more. Let me feel your waistline.
Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for tonight. Why don't you meet me on the dance floor tonight? Baby girl, you're the one that I've been looking for, yes. Why don't you move